Hello, we're here today at the Glendale EduFun Western Farm at Glendale Academy, Sun City. I'm a teacher here at Glendale EduFun and this is a parent. We would like to share our experience of the EduFun Farm Day. So as a parent, what did you like today?
I like the maze thing. The kids explaining every single thing about farm day, about
Alright.
farming process, how we do farming and all, how wool come, how sugar is made and all. And I like the puppet show, 3D shows and all. I like the animals, which have been displayed all over.
Alright.
Pet animals, all the pet animals are in the farm, and everything was excellent. Each and every year it keeps on progressing.
That's one thing. Every year we have a totally different theme of the farm. We have a much better maze this year. You can
Yeah.
see lovely games inside, and it's an adventurous maze. We have a very nice tree house, and the puppet theater was very enchanting this year with really nice pumpkins. All the pumpkins over here and the scarecrow have all been done by the teachers. And we did have children talk about different processes this time at the farm day event. I hope you all enjoy it.
I would
Thank
like to
you.
thanks all the ma'am and all for the excellent job which they did. Even kids, excellent. Thumbs up to Glendale EduFun.
Thank you very much. Hope you all have a nice time. Thank you.